All right, Mike and I are back out at this field where we've been several times, where Mike had been. Let's see if we can find anything else.
All right, Mike, first signal, what'd you get?
I found an eagle button. It's intact. Shank is included, still puffed.
Oh, great, man.
I'm happy as can be.
I do, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, how deep was it?
About 5 inches.
Yeah, it was fairly deep.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad though. Yeah, but it rang up perfectly. I mean, it was a 56, 57. Bing, 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 bing.
Mike's swinging the Technetics T2, and man, he knows that machine. Good job, Mike. Woohoo! Second target is this little guy. Size of my hand. And I'm on the next knoll over, and I got an 83 signal in this hole. But as I'm cleaning it, I just popped my first piece of pottery out of there, which is a real good sign. So we'll see what is in here, ringing up 83, I hope. It's acting really squirrely, isn't it? Okay, we're down up here maybe. Well, we got stuff all over the place. There's what was ringing up 83. What is that? Oh, no way. Holy smokes, you know what that is? Oh, that's the tongue. I think that's the tongue off of a buckle. Oh, it is. Thank you, Lord. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's an eagle on it. Okay, I am so cool. Hot dog. This might be Facebook Live worthy. Yeah. Alright, this is getting exciting. Right here was this illegal button. And he's general service. Front's pushed in and no shank on the back, but the back is there. Cool. Just popped this interesting little thing. I think it may have some writing on it. Not sure. I'm going to try to brush it off here. We'll see. Alright, this is pretty cool. I don't know if it's got writing on it or not, but it's a star. And it's been cut out at that piece. I'll clean it up when I get home, but that's pretty darn neat. Okay, just popped out a flat button. Yeah, I think it's just basic little flat button. Yep. No shake. Cool. Well, right next to the cow patty, we got something interesting. Maybe part of a pen or part of a mechanical pencil. Don't know. Ferrule off of something? I just don't know. Well, got something else interesting here. Near where that little ferrule was dug. It's got a little... Hang on here. Poke a hole in that. Yeah, there we go. It's got a little hanger on it. See it? I don't know. And I just broke that little hanger with my finger. Nice. We got a coin. I believe it's a shield nickel. Oh, it's in great shape, and it's a 66. Check it out. It's got the rays. Let's see if we can get it in focus, because this is pretty cool. Man, it's in really good shape. There, I hope you can see that. I can't tell through the viewfinder, but look at that. 5. Oh man, do you see all the rays on it? Get it cleaned off kind of on the pants here on the back side. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's 67 is the rays, isn't it? Wow. Man, that's nice. Thank you, Lord. Just dug an unusual brass item. What in the world do you think this is? Huh. Well, I hope it's got some writing on it. I do not know what that is. It's got a pretty green patina. I think we've got a little watch winder key here. I think. I don't know what this is, but it's fragile. It's lead, and it's decorative. It's folded up and missing some parts to it. I looked around in the hole, didn't find anything else, but we'll look at that when we get home. Just popped a nice spoon. Hopefully that'll have a, oh, it does too. Well, it's got a maker's mark on it, but I can't read it. I'm shaking. I'll have to look at, oh, it's plate, silver plate.